Guys, what a Monday we're having. We caught the ES breakdown tank this morning, essentially, on not only our Combine account that we made that's an evaluation stage on TopStep, we also caught it on my real money account coming down. And then I just had a hunch at one point we're going to hit the bottom and it's going to trace back up. I caught it right when it came out of the bottom. So I didn't bottom tick it, which would have been really cool. I haven't ever actually truly bottom ticked anything and then let it ride up. But right now, it's on its way back up to its opening range low. So I'm going to show you that. But like I said, we're having a pretty good day. We're up in total since Asia market session opened yesterday at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on Sunday. We went up about $800 yesterday. And then right now, today, we went up another $650. So that account in total is up over, actually, it's up over $1,300. I'll show you the screenshot on that one. And then my real money account this morning, right now, currently, we're up $600, but we have $725, it looks like, riding right now. So we're going to see if we can ride this one all the way to the top. But I'm considering going live and doing these trades in the morning, but I'm not sure if that would be interesting to people, if they would want to watch it. So let me know in the comments if that's something you guys would be interested in. I've never went live before, but I would be happy to if it would be of interest to you guys. So let me show you what we're working with right now. You can see here on our previous trade, we got burned on a couple right here. We chopped around a little bit. I had very aggressive stop losses on here, only $100 because this is this is my money. This isn't a prop firm. This is actual funds that I have in an account. So right here, we sold off of this one. We hit our stop loss right here. And then the Quant Crawler told me to go in right here. So we ended up going in here and I just trailed it down and we hit I set a pretty aggressive. I was moving my stop loss down as we went. And then it hit right here at the bottom. And then I just had a hunch that right here we were going to ride back up. So I went back in. I actually set only a $50 stop loss to where if it immediately corrected, it was just going to tick me out. I was going to be done. And it went big candle, and now we're up here. So I've been trailing my stop loss up into the profit zone. So right now we're sitting here up $862. This is in addition to our $700 that we made on this one right here, trailing down. Then, as you guys can see here, this was this morning. This is on the Combine account that I made yesterday on one of my videos, just to show you guys starting over using Quant Crawler completely. I put it into lockout mode so I don't mess this up. Since 3 p.m. yesterday Pacific Standard Time, we're up $1,303. You can see here on this account, we're using Quant Crawler specifically and exclusively, just so I can show you guys that this will work to get these evaluation accounts done. Our total P&L again, 1303. Our trade win, we're 66.67%. 2 wins, 1 loss. A loss was last night on gold. On our win-loss ratios, our profit factor is actually 6.36. We're actually getting a 1 to 6.36, essentially. And again, day win percentage, all in one day is right here because we've only had this account one day, is 66.67%. You can see here our average win duration. We were only in 7 minutes and 40 seconds on our average win, and our only loss took about 29 minutes, so we stressed that one a little bit. And I love TopStep because it tells me our worst trade, we lost $243, a short on gold last night, and then our best trade was gold this morning, last night for $936. And then you can see right here, again, account created right here yesterday. We're up $1,303.22 on 3 trades in the Monday session, which this will actually close at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time today. And then when we reopen at 3 p.m. today, we're technically in Tuesday because the Asia session is open. And that will count as Tuesday trades, even though we will be doing those on Monday.